Let's start. Here, first question, that is, if a positive number n is divided by 5, the remainder is 3. N is divided by 5, the remainder is 3. Can I say that number is equals to 3? N is equals to 3? Yes. If I am dividing that 3 with 5, I will get the remainder as 3, right? I am fixing n is equals to 3. Now, which of the following number yield remainder 0 when I am dividing with 5? Means the number is equals to 3 if I am adding 3 plus 2. If I am dividing with 5, then I will get the remainder as 0, right? Now, can I say that number plus 2 will give the number plus 2 divided by 5 will get the remainder as 0, right? Can I say answer is option B, n plus 2? N plus 2 divided by 5, we will get the remainder is equals to 0. Moving forward to next. Which of the following number is not divisible by 3? Here you have to know the divisibility rules. What is the divisibility rule for 2? Divisibility rule for 2, that is nothing but check last digit. Divisibility rule for 2, that is nothing but check only last digit. If that number is even number, then it is completely divisible by 2. For example, 120. Yes, this is completely divisible. 252. This is also completely divisible because the unit digit is even number, right? That is the reason. Now, what about divisibility rule for 3? Divisibility rule for 3, that is nothing but check sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, that is nothing but 369. For example, the number is 369. 369 means sum of the digits 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equals to, yes, this is divisible, and this is divisible by 3, right? 369 is completely divisible by 3. Now, what about divisibility rule for 4? Check last two digits. Divisibility rule for 2 is check last digit. Divisibility rule for 4 is check last two digits. Divisibility rule for 8, that is check last 3 digits. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the whole number is completely divisible by 8. Now, what about 9? What about 9? 9 is sum of the digits. 9 is sum of the digits. 3 and 9 both are same, sum of the digits. But here 3 is, if I am adding that number, I will get that number is divisible by, means I will get the number is 0 or multiple of 3. Here I will get the number is 0 or multiple of 9. 0 or multiple of 9. Next, what is the divisibility rule for 5? 5. That is nothing but if the unit digit is 0 or unit digit is 5, then whole number is completely divisible. Unit digit is 0 or unit digit is 5, then whole number is completely divisible. Now, what is the divisibility rule for 10? If the unit digit is 0, then the whole number is completely divisible. For example, 100 and 200 and 300, like that. Now, what about divisibility rule for 7? Divisibility rule for 7, that is nothing but double the last digit and subtract from rest of the digits. Double last digit, and double last digit, double last digit, and subtract rest of the digits. And subtract rest of the digits. Rest of the digits. Now, what about divisibility rule for 6? Divisibility rule for 6, that is nothing but I have to check 2 and 3. I know what is the divisibility rule for 3. I know what is the divisibility rule for 2, right? Yes, divisibility rule for 2, that is check last one digit. Divisibility rule for 3, that is sum of the digits. Now, what about divisibility rule for 12? What is the divisibility rule for 12 or divisibility rule for 12? That is I have to check 3 and 4. 3 into 4 will give the result as 12. 3 into 4. Now, what about divisibility rule for 11? That is alternative digit summation must be 0. Alternative digits. Difference in alternative digits summation must be 0. Summation must be 0. Yes. These are about divisibility rules. Now, what is the question here? Question is, which of the following number is not divisible by 3? Not divisible. This is divisible by 3 because sum of the digits 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3, 3, 3 is 9. Yes, divisible. Now, what about these 342? What is the sum of the digits here? Sum of the digits is equals to 7, 9. Yes, divisible. And this is about 12, divisible. This is not divisible because here the sum of the digits is equals to 4. Right? Answer is option B. Moving forward to next. N is equals to IT, PQ, 2PQ. 7-digit number if N is exactly divisible by 120. Exactly divisible by 120. Can I say 120 as 12 into 10? 12 into 10. Now can I say 12 as 4 into 3? And this is about 2 into 5. Now, what is the number here? IT, PQ, 2PQ. Now, can I say 5 is if the number is ending with 0 or number is ending with 5, then the number is completely divisible. Divisible, right? Now here I am fixing Q as 0 or 5. Q as 0 or 5. Now here that number must be the multiple of 2 also, right? So here I cannot take 5 because in 2 table 5 will not come, right? Now here I am fixing Q as 0. Then what about P? What is the sum of the what is the divisibility rule for 4? Check last 2 digits. If I am fixing P is equals to 1, P is equals to 1, then it will become 10. 10 is not divisible by 4, right? So what I have to do? I have to take another value. P is equals to 2. Yes, 20. 20, yes, divisible. 4 into 5 will give the result as 20, right? Right? Now what he is asking, sum of the digits of N is equals to. Okay, what is the sum of the digits here? P is equals to 0 and Q is P is equals to 2 and Q is equals to 0. Q is equals to 0. Now 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is 8 plus 2? 10. 14. Here 14 is not in the option. So what I have to do? I have to go with another number. P is equals to 3. 30 is not divisible. P is equals to 3. I am fixing. 30 is not divisible by 4. So what I have to do? P is equals to 4. Yes, P is equals to 4. Then this will become P is equals to 4 and P is equals to 4. Yes, 40. 40 is completely divisible by 4. Right? Now what he is asking? Sum of the digits. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. What is 8 plus 8? 16. 16 plus 2 will give the result as 18. Answer is option B. Moving forward to next. Here the question that is 53P26P3 is 7-digit number divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 if 7, 5, 7, PQ is divisible by 8, then what is the maximum value of P plus Q? What is the maximum value he is asking? Okay. Now, if I am considering as what is 7 plus 17, 17 plus 5 will give the result as 14, 14 plus 5 will give the result as 19, right? Now this is about 19. What is the divisibility rule for 8? Check last 2 digits. Last 2 digits, right? Now if I'm considering as P is equals to 1, P is equals to 1, then P is equals to 1. Then 7, 5, 7, QP, right? 7, 5, 7. This is about P is equals to 1. P is equals to 1. This is about what? 19. 19. 19 plus Q plus P is equals to divisible by 9. The number is divisible by 9 And if 7, 5, 7 is divisible by 8, he's saying that divisible by 8. Okay, some of the digits are divisible by 9. 5, 3, P2, 6, P3. Right? Now, what is the divisibility rule for 9? That is nothing but sum of the digits. Now, what is the sum here? 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3. That is 19. 19 plus 2p is equals to 0 or multiple of 9. 0 or multiple of 9. Now here I am assuming p is equals to 1. 19 plus 2. 19 plus 2 will give the result as 21. 21 is not divisible by 9. Now what about p is equals to 2? P is equals to 2. 19 plus 4. What is 19 plus 4? 23. 23 is not divisible. Now what about p is equals to 3? 19. 19 plus 6 is equals to 25. 25 is not divisible by 9. Now what about p is equals to 4? 19. 19 plus 8 is equals to 27 divided by 9. 27 divided by 9, yes, divisible. 9 into 3 will give the result as 27, right? Now what he is asking, find the minimum value of p plus q. Now find the minimum value of p plus q. P is equals to 4. Yes, p is equals to 4. Now what about q value? What about q value? That is, what about q value? P is equals to 4 and q is equals to what? Right? Now, if I am going with q is equals to 0, then 704 is divisible by 8 or not. Why I am checking only last 3 digits? Because divisibility rule for 8 is check last 3 digits. Right? Now, yes, this is divisible by 4, 8, right? Yes, 8, 70704. Now what he is asking? P plus Q he is asking. P is equals to 0 and Q is equals to 4. That is 4 plus 0 will give the result as 4. Answer is option A. Moving forward to next. Find the remainder when divided by this number divided by 6. Right? Now 1201 into 1203 into 1205 into 1207 is divided by 6. Now, if I'm considering as individually, like if you're calculating 1201 into 1203, it will take more time, right? Then I'm not going with traditional approach. So what I have to do is, here I'm going with shortcut trick. That is, I'm considering as individually. That is 1201 divided by 6. What will be the remainder? You will get the remainder as 1. 1200 is completely divisible by 6, right? Now here you will get the remainder 3 and here you will get the remainder 5. Here you will get the remainder as 1. Remainder as 1. Now 3 into 5 will give the result as 15. 15 divided by 6, you will get the remainder is equals to 3. Answer is option B, 3. Moving forward to next. Find the remainder when 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial and so on 100 factorial is divided by 24. Now can I write it as 1 factorial is equals to 1, 2 factorial 4, 3 factorial 3 into 2 will give the result as 6, 4 factorial 24 and this is about 120 plus and so on divided by 24. This is completely divisible and this is also completely divisible by 24, right? So 6 plus 6 plus, yes, this is about 2. What is 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 will give the result as 8. 8 plus 1 will give the result as 9. 9 divided by 24, you will get the remainder as 9. Answer is option B. Moving forward to next. The least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8 leaving the remainder as 3. But when divided by 9, there will be no remainder, right? Now, divided by 5, you will get the remainder as 3. Here, if I am dividing with 5, here I will get the remainder as 2. I will get the remainder as 2, right? Because here 6, 1675, 1675 is completely divisible by 5. Here you will get the remainder as 2. But here he is saying that if you are dividing with 5, you will get the remainder as 3. This is not possible. I am eliminating option A. Now what about option B? Yes. Here if you are dividing with 5, you will get the remainder as 3. Okay. Here also you will get the remainder as 3. Here also you will get the remainder as 3. Right. Now when divided by 9, there is no remainder. Okay. 1683. What is the sum of the digits for 9? Sum of the digits for means what is the divisibility rule for 9? Sum of the digits, right? Now this is about uh, 7, 10, 18. Yes, 18 divided by 9. Yes, 18 is completely divisible by 9. Yes, can I fix my answer as option B? Answer is option B. Because it is satisfying with 5 and 9. Eliminate other options. No need to waste your time in the exam by using LCM method. LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8, and after you will get the remainder is equals to 3. Adding remainder at the end. No need to go with. Moving forward to next. Find the largest number 4 digit divisible by 12, 15 and 18. What is 12 here? 3 into 4, 3 into 5, and this is about 3 into 6, right? Now, largest number, 4 digit number divisible by 12 and 15 and 18. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Sum of the digits. Yes, this is completely divisible, and this is also completely divisible. This is not divisible, and this is not divisible, and this is divisible. But what he's saying that largest number, can I say 19 9900? Answer is option A. Quite simple. Moving forward to next. Find the HCF of 0.63 and 1.05. Now here, can I write it as HCF of 0.63 and 1.05. Now can I write it as 0.63 and points are cancelled out. This is about 63 and this is about 105. Now what is the LCM of 63 and HCF of 63 and 105? That will give the result as 321s and 335s. 15. Sorry, 3 3s. Yes, 35. Now this is about 7 3s and 7 5s. Now he's asking about HCF, not LCM. 7 into 3 will give the result as 21 here, but in points I have to calculate. Answer is option A, 0.21. Moving forward to next. Multiple of 13, which when divided by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, leaving the remainder as 2. Now here, if I'm dividing with 5, I'm getting the remainder as 2. Here completely divisible and here also completely divisible. Here I'm dividing with 5, here I'm getting the remainder as 4. So this is also not possible. Why? Simple questions. Answer is option C. Yes, if I am dividing with 5, I will get the remainder as 2. If I am dividing with 6, here I will get the remainder as 2. Divided by 7, I will get the remainder as 2. Answer is option C. No need to go with yes, whether that number is divisible by 13 or not. No need to go with that method. Moving forward to next. A person has 3 iron bars whose length is 10, 15, 20 meters respectively. he wants to cut pieces same length from each three bars. What is the least number of total pieces if he cut without any wastage? Okay, he's saying that without any wastage means how many number of least number of total pieces he can able to cut, right? Now here, what is the length of each piece? What is the length of each piece? That is HCF of 10 and 15 and 20. Now what is HCF of 10, 15 and 20? That is, what is the HCF here? That is 5 meters. Now here I am cutting that length in 5, right? 10 divided by 5, total number of pieces. To calculate total number of pieces, I am dividing that numbers by 5, plus 15 divided by 5, plus 20 divided by 5. This is about 2 and this is about 3 and this is about 4. Now what is 2 plus 3 plus 4? That will give the result as 9. Answer is option C. Moving forward to next. LCM and HCF of two numbers is 12 and 336. If one number is 84, then what is the other number? What is the other number? Here, LCM into HCF is equals to N1 into N2. That is nothing but here, what is the LCM of 3 and 6? What is the LCM of 3 and 6? Can I write it as this is about 3 into 1? Here, this is about 2 into 3. Now, what is the LCM here? 2 into 3, that will give the result as 6, right? LCM is equals to 6. Now, what is HCF here? HCF is equals to 3, right? Now, here, can I say LCM into HCF is equals to N1 into N2, right? Now, LCM is equals to 6 and HCF is equals to 3. N1 into N2, that number is 6 into 3. This is about 18 and this is about 18. That is the reason I have mentioned that LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Now LCM is equals to 2 and HCF is equals to 336. Number 1 is equals to 84. Now what is number 2? Now 12 into 336 divided by 84 is equals to N2. Now 12 sevens, 7, 748. Answer is option B, 48. Moving forward to next. There are three bells ABC tolled together 10, 12 and 25 minutes respectively. If they toll together at 6 a.m. when they toll together again. Here there are three bells. Okay, three bells ABC 10, 12 and 25 minutes. If they toll together at 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock a.m. when they will toll together again. Now what is the LCM here? LCM of 10 and 12 and 15, that will give the result as 300. Why I'm calculating LCM? Because here I will get the exact number, right? Exact number. That is the reason I am calculating LCM. Now if they toll together after 300 minutes, that is nothing but 300 divided by 60 will give the result as 5. After 5 hours, it will toll together. That is 6 plus 5 will give the result as 11. Answer is option B. 6 toll together at 6. After 5 hours, it will toll together again. That is 6 plus 5 will give the result as 11 a.m. Answer is option B. Moving forward to next. 5 bells ring together, intervals of 3, 5, 8 and 10 seconds. All the bells are simultaneously at the same time. Okay, ring simultaneously at the same time. When will again ring simultaneously? Now here, how many bells are there? 5 bells are there. 3, 5, 8 and 9 and 10. Now here, next multiple of 3 will come. That is 6. Next multiple of 3 will come. That is 9. and here also same 10 and 15, and here also same, that is 16 and 24. Like this it will come, right? So if I am going like this, I will get one constant number, one constant number. If I'm doing like this, it will take more time in the exam, so I'm not going with this method. Now what I have to do, I have to go with LCM method, that is to save our time in the exam, right? Now what is the LCM of 3, 5, 8, 9 and 10? What is the LCM here? 3, can I write it as 3, and can I write it as 5, and can I write it as 2 power 3, and can I write it as 3 square, and can I write it as 2 into 5? Now what is the highest power for 2? That is 2 power 3. What is the highest power for 3? That is 3 square. What is the highest power for 5? That is 5 only. Now 8 into 5, 40, 40 into 9. What is 40 into 9? 360. 360 divided by 60. Why I'm dividing with 60? Because all the options are related to the minutes. That is the reason. Now 360 divided by 60 will give the result as 6 minutes. Answer is option B. Sorry, A. Answer is option A. Moving forward to next. Evaluate 2.39 square minus 1.61 square divided by 2.39 minus 1.61. Here can I write it as a square minus b square divided by a minus b? This is about a, value of a, and this is about value of b. This is about a and this is about b. A square minus b square divided by a minus b. Now can I write it as a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b divided by a minus b. A minus b is cancelled out. This is about 2.39. A value is 2.39, B value is 1.61 plus 1.61. That will give the result as 4. Answer is option B. Moving forward to next. 144 divided by 0.144 is equals to 14.4 divided by x. Then what is the value of x? Right. Now here, if I am writing these three digits in upside, that is 144 000 divided by 144 is equals to 144 divided by 10x, right? Now this is about 1000, right? This is about 1000, and this 0 will come to this side, that is 10,000. 10,000x is equals to 144. Now what about the value of x? That is 0.0144. 144. Answer is option B. 0.0144. Moving forward to next. What is the smallest positive two-digit number divisible by 3 such that the sum of the digits are 9? Sum of the digits are 9. Here, what is the smallest positive two-digit number? Whole number is divisible by 3. Whole number is divisible by 3 and sum of the digits digits are 9. Some of the digits are 9. Here some of the digits are not 9. Here some of the digits are 9. Here some of the digits are 9. And here some of the digits are 9. Okay. Divisible by 3 also. Yes. Here this number is divisible by divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, right? Now smallest number he is asking, smallest positive number. Can I say answer is option A, that is 18. Moving forward to next. If the number 97215x6 is completely divisible by 11, then smallest whole number in place of x would be. Okay. Now what is the divisibility rule for 11? Alternative digits. Alternative digits, that is 7 and 2, 5 and 6. What is 7 plus 9 plus 2 will give the result as 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. Sum of the digits, divisibility rule for 11, difference of alternative digit summation is 0. difference of alternative digits summation is 0. Now here alternative digit summation, that is 22 minus 7 plus 1 plus x is equals to 0 or multiple of 11. 0 or multiple of 11. Now can I say this is about 22? 22 minus x plus 8 is equals to 0 or multiple of 11. Now this is about 22 minus 8. What is 22 minus 8? 14. 14 minus x is equals to 0 or multiple of 11. Right? Now if I am considering x is equals to 3, then 11. 11 is completely divisible by 11. Right? Can I say x is equals to 3? Answer is option B. If you do practice, you can easily crack this type of questions in less than 20 seconds for sure. Moving forward to next. Which digit should come in place of at the rate and hash if the number is 62684 at the rate hash divisible by 8 and 5. Now what is the divisibility rule for 5? Divisibility rule for 5, that is if the number is 0 or multiple of, means if the unit digit is 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible, right? Now if I'm fixing as 0, then that number is divisible by 8 as well as divisible by 5. Now in 8 table 5 will not come, right? So I am eliminating 5. Now hash is equals to 0. Now what about at the rate? At the rate is equals to 10 is not divisible by 8. 10 is not divisible by 8, right? Now can I say 440? Yes, 440 is divisible by 8, right? Now can I say answer is option A, 40. At the rate is equals to 4 and hashtag is equals to 0. Moving forward to next. If an 8-digit number 30x0867y is divisible by 88. What is the divisibility rule for 88? 88. We don't have learned, but we can split that 88 into two ways, right? 11 into 8. I know the value divisibility rule for 8 and I know the divisibility rule for 11. Now what is the divisibility rule for 8? That is last two digits. Last two digits, right? What is the divisibility rule for 11? That is sum of the digits, alternative digit summation must be 0, right? Now here 3 plus x, 3 plus x plus 6 plus y, 3 plus x plus, 8, 3 plus x plus 8 plus 7, right? 3 plus x plus 8 plus 7 minus 0 plus 0 plus 6 plus y. Now here 18 plus x minus 8 is equals to 10 plus x. 10 plus x is equals to, yes, divisibility rule for 9. That is alternative digits. Now if I'm considering x is equals to 1, then 11. Yes, 11 is completely divisible by 11, right? Now x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. Then what about the value of y? Yes, then what about the value of y? That is, yes, can I say y is equals to, can I say y is equals to 2? 672 divided by 8. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Check last three digits. 88, 64, left with 32. 84 is 32. Yes, completely divisible. Now x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. 3 into 1 plus 2 will give the result as 5. Answer is option B. Nothing is there. Divisibility rule for 8 is 11 and 8. Means I have to check divisibility rule for 11 and I have to check divisibility rule for 8. Moving forward to, yes. Thank you. I hope it will be clear for you. You can expect these type of questions in TCS Ninja. Thank you. Please do practice.